Test performed on 8 January 2020 at the Mitchell Garage in Rock Hill, South Carolina, using the 3D printed cap.
This is just a demonstration that from the bottom of the tank up to the top of the lip of the neck there is just under 6 inches, about 5 3/4 inches. And if you look at the top of the cap, which would be measuring at the same point, the top of the filler neck, it's about a little over 5 inches. So we got, I don't know, less than an inch difference from the bottom of the hose to the bottom of the tank. Okay, this is just to verify that we have a good siphon going. I've got the tank a lot higher than the generator. I actually have the cap very loosely sitting on top to prevent contamination from coming in, but just to make sure we have a good vent. And you can see the fuel spilled all over the ground and around the top of the generator there where I connected it. So we know we have a good siphon going. Okay, I backed off just enough so that the sound of the generator wouldn't overwhelm my voice. But the generator is running now. We have a good seal around the cap, and I used the siphon from the external tank to fill up the internal tank right up to the brim. So it's completely full as we start this experiment at about 9:33 on what is today, the 8th of January. So we ran the generator for about a half an hour with a load on it from the heater, and the fuel burned down to the bottom of the filler neck and did not refill out of the external tank. And then we had a failure of our 3D printed cap here, where we're getting just a little bit of seepage, and when I tried to tighten it down, these threads were not tall enough, so it pushed down and it broke the top off of the cap. But I think we proved our point here that the generator was burning the internal fuel and was not being replenished by the external fuel.